Hey guys, it's Man, and today we're going to be making drift tires for my RC car. So, I've already printed both of them, and I've already driven it and everything, but I didn't do the intro yet, so let's go inside and I'll show you the CAD files. So as you can see, I have currently printing the inner part of the wheel, and that's a spare because I already have both done and one of them broke. You'll see later on. So, right here I got the CAD files. This is the inner wheel part. This is where the screw goes in. And then these cross pieces are for the little bits of metal that I don't know what they're called, but they help so that it turns with the axle fine. And then right here I got the outer tire, which is a big print, but that's this part, and the other one is this part right here, and they fit together fine, and just a little bit of Gorilla Glue to hold them in, and they work fine, except for when it broke, but you'll find out later. So now let's show you how I made it. First test of the drift tires. Okay, I got the completed car right here, and it's time to test it outside. Okay, so I think that's working pretty well. Time for the montage. Oopsie doopsie. This thing broke. So I might have over tightened it a little bit. And then it just weakened the plastic slowly and must have ripped off after I hit a bump or something. So I'll probably print another one of these, something stronger probably, if I can. And then I'll be in the park. So see you there. Okay, so that's the end of this video. We're back home from the park. Simon's happy we're home, I guess. So, the wheels worked pretty well until they started getting worn down around this part right here. And that's why they started to fall off, because they would get worn down enough that they could just slip past the nut and just fall right off. So, if I was going to do this again, I'd make the hole for the axle just a little bit smaller.
Hello, friends.
But that's the end of this video. Like it if you liked it, subscribe for more, and see ya.
Bye.